Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to start lesson number 10, cell and cell organelles. So what is meant by cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of living organisms. All living organisms are made up of cell. According to the functions, cells of different size and structure are found in different organs. Cells can be seen only under microscope. Today we are going to study about the structure of the cell, that is plant cell and animal cell. Various organelles of the cell. So first of all, cell wall. It is found around cells of algae, fungi and plants. Animal cells lack cell wall. Cell wall is an elastic and strong coat around cell membrane. It is mainly composed of carbohydrates like cellulose and pectin. So cell wall is found only in plant cell. Functions of cell wall are to support and to protect the cell by preventing entry of excess water in the cell. Now second component of cell, plasma membrane or cell membrane. It is a thin, fragile, means breakable and elastic covering that separates the cell components from outer environment. Now structure of plasma membrane. Protein molecules are embedded in two layers of phospholipids, means this plasma membrane is made up of proteins. Plasma membrane is said to be a selectively permeable membrane as it allows some substances to enter the cell while prevents other substances. Means only some useful substances are allowed to enter the cell. Therefore, this plasma membrane is called as selectively permeable membrane. If any changes occur outside the cell, the cellular environment does not change due to plasma membrane. This condition is called homeostasis. Activities that consume cellular energy. First one, endocytosis, means to gulp or engulf food and other substances from outer environment. Second one, exocytosis, to excrete waste materials out of cell. Processes those that do not consume cellular energy, means they do not need energy. First one, diffusion, entry or exit of small molecules like oxygen, carbon dioxide. Second, osmosis, the traveling of water from a part with more water to a part with less water through a selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis. What is meant by osmosis? The traveling of water from higher level to lower level. Now there are three possibilities. First one, isotonic solution. Medium outside and inside the cell has same proportion of water, then water doesn't go in or out. It remains same as it is. Second, hypotonic solution. The cell has less water than outside medium, so water enters the cell. This is called end osmosis. Example, if resins are kept in water, after some time they swell and become turgid. So this process is called this hypotonic solution. Third one, hypertonic solution. The cell has more water than the outside medium, So water comes out of the cell. Example, if fruit pieces are kept in thick saturated sugar solution, the water from fruit pieces enter the sugar solution. So the fruit pieces shrink, means they become smaller in size after a while. If plant cell or animal cell is kept in hypertonic solution, water comes out of the cell by the process of exosmosis and there is contraction of cytoplasm. This process is called plasmolysis. The next component of the cell is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid between plasma membrane and nucleus. Many cell organelles are suspended in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the medium for cellular chemical reactions. The part of cytoplasm other than organelles is the cytosol. It is called cytosol. Cytosol stores vital substances like amino acids, glucose, vitamins, etc. In animal cells, cytoplasm is more granular and dense, while in plant cells it is thin and mostly pushed to the periphery. Periphery means towards the corner due to a larger central vacuole. Now cell organelles. An organelle is a specialized subunit having specific function within the cell. They are organs of the cell. Except nucleus and chloroplast, all other organelles can be seen only with electron microscope. If we take onion peeling and observe under electron microscope, we can see the cell with the organelles such as cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm and vacuole. So students, you can see in the picture the onion peeling, the cells of onion and also the organelles of the cells. The next organelle is nucleus. Nucleus is the most important organelle of the cell as it keeps control over all the other organelles. When observed under electron microscope, we can see nucleus covered by a double-layered membrane with small pores. Pores means small holes. We can see in the picture. These pores allow the passage of material in and out of the nucleus. Nucleus has one round nucleolus and a network of chromatin fibers. Chromatin fibers are thin thread-like structures which condense to form short, thick chromosomes at the time of cell division. Functional segments on chromosomes are called genes. Now functions of nucleus. First one, it controls all metabolic activities of the cell. Metabolic activities means the chemical reactions taking place in the cell. These reactions are controlled by the nucleus and also the cell division. Second function is it is involved in the transmission of hereditary characters from parents to offsprings. Offspring means their young ones. The characteristics are transferred from parents to their next generation. Here also the nucleus plays an important role. Next organelle is Endoplasmic Reticulum or ER. The organelle which conducts various substances inside the cell is called Endoplasmic Reticulum. ER has a net-like structure consisting of interconnected miniature tubes and sheets filled with fluid. ER is connected to nucleus from inner side to plasma membrane from outer side. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. They are rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosome granules on its outer surface. You can see in the picture the tubular structure having dots on outer surface, that is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the tubules without spots on outer surface, they are smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now functions of endoplasmic reticulum. First one, it is the framework that supports the cell. Second, conduction of proteins. Third, toxins means poisonous substances that have entered the body through food, air and water are made water soluble by endoplasmic reticulum and then flushed out of the body. This is the important function of endoplasmic reticulum, that unwanted toxic substances are removed from the body. I hope you have understood the topic. So for better understanding, read the topic once again and do the given homework.